Installing free MS Office products on your iPad. If you have a mobile device that has a screen that is 10.1 inches or smaller, as of the making of this video, then Microsoft Office products should be free. But you'll need your iOS to be at least 12 if you're on an Apple product. So let's go to Settings, tap General, About, and check your software version. If it's lower than 12, then you might need to update it. And before updating, make sure you have enough space. Scroll down to Capacity and make sure you have enough space available. You probably need at least 3.5 to 5 gigabytes of space left in order to update your software. Once your software is up to date, you can go to the Apple Store. Let's go back to Home. I tap the button to get back to the main menu. I'll tap the A for App Store. And I've already searched Microsoft Office in the search box here. And as you can see, there are Microsoft Office products available. And I've already started downloading Microsoft Word. As you can see, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook are also available. And there's Microsoft OneNote. I already had that on my computer, so it's asking me if I want to update it. Or I already had it on my iPad. Word has installed. Let's click Open. So let's see if I can use it without signing in. I'm going to tap Not Now. Let's go to New Document. And note that I do have to sign in to make changes or to make edits. So if I don't sign in, I can only view documents that are already made. So let's see if I can go back and sign in. I click Settings. And under Account, I'll tap Sign In. And I'm going to use a free account, one that doesn't have a subscription. Or I could create one, as you can see. Now let's start a new document. And I am able to type in the document. Looks like I could add pictures from my camera. I can also add pictures that are on my iPad. I can add icons. I can draw. Let's see if we can save. I'll tap this icon at the top left. And note I have the option to click Save. I can turn on Auto Save. I could export. Let's see what I could export it to. I could export it as an open document text or a PDF. And it looks like I can export it to my online personal shared drive, or I could export it to my iPad. Let's go back to Home. We'll click this folder here, see if we can find Documents. Browse. On my iPad, Word. And here's a document that's dated today's date. And there's the document. And then from here you have options if you want to click the menu at the top right, the little box with the arrow. Notice how you can mail it, send it to OneNote or Evernote. You can print if you have AirPrint, and so on.